Right, you sod-writhing fuckers. Hello, hope you're doing okay. I'm facing the wrong way, so to add a bit of tension to this amazing bike reveal, number fucking 3 of the year. So without any further ado, and enough of my clickbait, here she is. Look at that. Oh yeah, you're right. Now would you take a look at that? That is a 2018 Street Triple RS, and oh yeah, I have ridden it here. Got loads of nice little extras on it. For one, got Triumphs labelled aftermarket. I actually think they're Power Bronze mirrors, which are actually pretty nice. And then we've got some Oxford heated grips here. They're wired directly to the battery, which is a bit of a pain because I'm going to have to turn them off each time. What else have we got? We've got front and rear spindle protectors, got a tail tidy, really nice cowl on here, and we've got Power Bronze windscreen as well, which is gorgeous. And check it out, look at that, absolutely beautiful. We've got a rad guard, got steel braided hoses. We've got the Brembo MCS master cylinder, which is again really nice. We've got, like I said, steel braided hoses. We've got shower front forks, which I had on the Ducati, so I know those guys quite well. I need to add some compression in. We've got Öhlins rear. It is an Öhlins collab with Triumph, so not sure if it's going to be the best top of the mill, top of the run kind of thing, but hey, get what you're given in life. And yeah, on to me riding the thing for the first time. See you very soon. Right, so folks, so this is going to be the first time having a ride on this. Feels very strange after coming off a Super Sport. So yeah, here we go. God, it does feel weird. Shit. Right, so put it in rain mode. Oh God. It feels weird to be on a naked again after all this, well, say all this time. Ooh. I tell you what, man, it is nice to be upright, and I bet you guys can see better now as well. Listen to that whistle. Oh. I tell you what. Ooh. Hey, that is naughty, that is. Oh, it feels really nice to be upright again. The rear suspension needs work. I need to stiffen that up a bit. I'm just trying to get the biting point and stuff still. Oh! Oh my God, that quick shifter's good, bloody hell. Oh my God. And it goes into neutral without any bother. Oh my God. I can kind of get my... Look at that. If I push up, I can get my knees underneath the tank ridges. Oh God, it's weird. So this is in rain mode at the minute, and I can tell you already, one of the big worries that I had about this thing was the torque, like mid-range and stuff. I'll tell you what as well, I've got heated grips. So we're back on it. Well, I say we're back on it. We're on it for the first time. Wow, they've gone up really quick. Blimey. And I tell you what, it's really nice to be able to sit at 30 mile an hour and not have the throttle twitch out on you. Let's have a look at this bump, see what it says. Ooh! Sorry. Oh man, that suspension's gorgeous. It's not kicking me off. Ooh! Oh yeah, tell you what, and I'm not going to lie to you because it's a new bike, but that has more mid-range than the Panigale. A lot more mid-range than the Panigale. We'll see how long that lasts. You know what I'm like with bikes, but this is flickable. Look at that. Got my eyes. Ah! Ah, what was that? Fuck me. So I've just come out for a ride. I've got the afternoon off work because of this, but it's a smooth bike. very smooth. And it's again, it's nice to be bolt upright compared to that Ducati, because I've heard a few people say that this is quite a sporty position for a naked, but to me this is bolt upright compared to what I was, and it's still got the nice sort of sporty leg position that I'm used to. I can look round the corner properly. Hello love. This thing is holding really nicely at 30 mile an hour on pottering speeds. I've set the master cylinder, it's got a Brembo master cylinder, I've set that to the least sensitive setting. This thing's pulling uphill with absolutely no bother at all. Because honestly man, the one thing that I was worried about with this bike was the power. That I thought I'd be lacking in power. But I find that from the few quick pulls that I've had, this has actually got more mid-range sort of feeling anyway than the Panigale. I'm not sure about up top. That immediately has more mid-range than the Panigale. Thank you. Now that's a weird thing for me to say, because I didn't think I was really worried about the power. That has a lot more. Right, let's take it easy down here because it's a bit slippy. Oh man, oh my god. That just, oh man. I tell you what mate, that's enough for anybody, that is enough power for anybody on the roads that, in the UK at least. I can't vouch for anywhere else, but you don't need 160 horsepower. That's more than enough. That is more than enough to have some fun with. Even in third gear, that's fun. That is, man. That is fun. I was really worried that this wouldn't live up to the Panigale in terms of power, but this is on rain mode, and this is already a lot of fun. And it's upright, and it's not hurting my back, and the position's beautiful. Well, the handling on this is just insane. There's some vibrations coming through the bars which are really kind of fine vibrations, which you can tell after a while they're going to really get on my tits. But I tell you what man, from what I was used to on that Panigale, this is a sofa, this is luxury. Man, that is just, I could sit here all fucking day with this, man. That's beautiful. So yeah, I'm a bit, I'm infatuated by it already. Oh, it feels weird having such a big switch gear though. That's one thing I'm going to miss, is that's how small and neat the switch gearing was on the Panigale. Absolutely wonderful. Oh, I love. That is really nice. Oh my! Shit's a fucking brick. Oi! Oi! Now that, mate. That is oh man. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. Holy shit. Oh my god. Right, okay. Put everything you know about figures on motorbikes, horsepower, torque figures, put that all to bed please, because this, oh my god, that's fucking beautiful. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm trying to lack for words at the minute, but it's going where I want it to go. It's just staying there. Let me just use the phrase that everyone hates, as it's on rails. Oh, listen to that fucking whistle. Oh! Oh, this is going to be so much fucking fun. This is on rain mode.
Intercom failed. Try again.
Stop trying the intercom, you stupid fucking bitch! Ah! Come on.
Intercom failed. Try
Oh
again.
my fucking god. Look at how beautiful this day is. Watch this. Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh, it's fucking, oh, spaff worthy. Fucking call me a captain and spank me off. Give me some fucking rum. Oh.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
Fuck off with your intercom!
Intercom failed. Try again later.
Yeah, bloody hell.
Intercom failed.
Oh,
Try
right, I'm
again
gonna turn
later.
this fucking thing off now, 1 sec.
Recording.
Right, hopefully that's fixed the bloody problem. Stupid piece of shit. Oh, hello dust. Oh god, that was a fucking sphincter clinkter, that was. Clinkter? Sphincter clinkter, yeah! This is unreal, people. This is so bloody nice. Oh man, I'm automatically happy as fuck. I'm happy as Larry. It makes me wonder if this thing has had a ECU flash or something, because I was not expecting that, like, at all. I don't know what's been done to this bike in terms of the engine. Oh, them brakes. Hello. Hello. Yeah, the front. That front needs to be. Look at that. Oh, that front needs to be stiffened up a little bit. I need to add some compression into that because that ain't good. Oh, nearly stole the cunt. Oh, that's nice. I'm not going to need any more than that. Well, I say that, give it a week. I tell you what, man, it's so nice to be able to control the bike. Start like being able to look and control without having to fuck about. Oh, I can look properly. Come on, oh man, I think I made a good choice here, lads. And this thing likes to stick to corners. Look at that. Oh man. Fucking hell. Right, I like this bike. I don't care about the intercom failing! Ah!
Intercom failed.
Oh my
Try again
fucking
later.
god, here we go. Oh, that whistle is to die for. I fucking love this motor. This motor is absolutely fucking, that was close, shit. This motor is beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, listen to that. Oh, oh shit. Come on, footnuts. There we go. Oh, control. I have control. Okay, self-cancelling indicators, that's going to take a while to get used to. Oh man, I absolutely love this thing. That is got... And the brakes are fantastic. Oh my god, I'm in love. I say I'm speechless, I'm not, I'm just talking shit at this point, but fuck me! Did not have a clue this would be...
Intercom failed. Try again later.
Bitch, I'm gonna fuck you up. I had no inclination whatsoever this would be like this. I mean, what a nice day to take this out on. I feel comfortable. My legs are nice and tucked up underneath the tank. I could do with them raising maybe an inch or so. But other than that, the comfort wise, this is really nice. Maybe some wider bars with some bar ends that have some damping in them, because the vibrations coming through this is it's a really fine kind of vibration, which I can tell is gonna get onto me, into my nerves after a bit. But wow, I am so impressed with this engine. I am so impressed with the bike in general. It's the cornering is. Again, the reason why I've taken it up here is because it's a test of some corners. By the way, this used to be an airbase. This did. There's an old. Oh my god, that flicks. Fuck me, man. Fuck me. That has got more than I ever would have thought. I thought this thing was going to be boring as fuck. And look, it's just going into the 30 limits like it's... Look, oh, it's so easy to control. Oh man, I'm gushing over this thing. I know I am, but... Oh, there we go. Oh my fucking god! That!
Intercom failed.
Oh
Try
my
again
god!
later.
I've never felt that on a bike before. I've never felt that on a bike before in my fucking life. Listen man, I rinsed the shit out of that Ducati, and that Ducati didn't scare me. That just gave me a fucking my god. I had that Ducati, pinned, and at no point did it ever feel like that. That is insane. That really is. so much more fun than I ever would have thought it would have been. Holy fuck. That physically shook me up, man. Like, frightened me a little bit that day. That really did. I don't know if it's 'cause it's upright or what. I can't put it into words. I am so utterly shocked that something finally seems to have worked out for me. Oh man, this thing wants to lean. That Ducati did not have this. Fucking hell. Shit. I've ridden a lot of bikes in my life, and it's been a very, very long time since I felt that. This thing is a peach. This thing is an actual fucking peach, man. I've got a smile from ear to ear. It's been such a long time since I had anything like that. The last time I felt like this, mate, was on my MT-07. When I first got on my MT-07 off a Harley. That Harley that I had was a lumpy bastard, man. It was like, it was not nice. And I went onto an MT-07 and that thing was up and down on its back wheel. That thing was amazing the first time I took that home, and it's reminiscent of that. It really is, because guys, I'm not being funny. This is in rain mode. This is in rain mode. Look, it's there, rain. Oh, if there's anything that I can say to you guys about if you're getting a new bike and you're looking at stats, and you're not sure about, you know, the bike you've set your heart on is going to be good for you, please take it out for a test ride. Oh man, that really likes corners. That really likes corners. I really like this bike, man. I really like this bike. Oh, I've not felt this about a bike in a long time.
Intercom failed. Try again
Get
later.
through there. Yeah, go on. So again, self-cancelling indicators. That's a thing. What? Just when the hell was that a thing? Can anyone tell me what the fuck's wrong with my goddamn Senna, please? Oh man, that's got plenty, man. That's got plenty, and they work. The self-cancellers work. The figures on this do not do this thing any justice whatsoever. So please, 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 don't judge a book by its don't judge a bike by its spec. Please go out and try the thing, because I cannot put into words how strange this is for me, coming off a super sport 160 horsepower Panigale. It feels like a better bike. It feels like a quicker bike in the mid-range. God. Hey! Hiya, mate. You alright? Right, I'm going to fuck off for a bit, and I'm going to go back out for a ride once I've had a nice little drink or something and chat to my neighbour there. I'll catch you in a bit.